Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are good. So students, it's our maths class and today we are going to start our second chapter, Roman numerals. Okay, students, recently we completed our previous chapter, numbers and numeration, and we found the number system which we used in that chapter is called Hindu-Arabic system. But our next chapter, Roman numerals, is quite different from our previous chapter. So let us start. So students, in order to understand the concept of Roman numerals, it is very important for us to know the Roman numeral system uses 7 basic symbols to write the numbers. Okay, as we earlier discussed, all the numbers, either it is smallest or greatest in the Hindu-Arabic system, is basically formed by 0 to 9 digits. But in Roman numerals, we used some symbols for making the numbers. Okay, such as I is denoted to 1, B is denoted to 5, X is denoted to 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is denoted to 1000. Okay students, here are some points which is very important for us to know. Okay, the Roman numeral system does not follow place value system. Okay, and one more important point is no symbol for 0. It means there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral system. Okay. So students, before starting the formation of Roman numerals, it is very important for us to understand about the rules and regulation of Roman numerals, by which we will able to form the numbers. Okay. Let us start. So our first rule is repetition of symbol means addition. What is our first rule? Repetition of symbols means addition. अगर हम किसी भी सिंबल को रिपीट करते हैं बार बार तो इसका मतलब वो ऐड होते जाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. सपोज दैट वी रिपीट हियर I and I 3 times, and we know I is denoted to 1 in the Roman numeral system. So we repeated here I. So first I means 1, second I means 1, and third I means 1. It means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Look at here, X is denoted to 10 in our Roman number system. So X and X, we repeat here X and X 2 times. So X means 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay. Some points here which is very important to remind. Repetition of a symbol is not allowed more than 3 times. किसी भी symbol का repetition हम 3 times से ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. And V and D are never repeated. और जो symbols V means 5, L means 50 and D को हम repeat कभी नहीं करते हैं. Okay students, let's understand the second rule. And what is the second rule of Roman numbers? If a symbol of a smaller value is placed on the right of a symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are added. It means कि जब भी हम किसी smaller symbol को किसी greater symbol के right में रखते हैं तो वो symbols आपस में ऐड होते हैं. Okay, if a symbol of smaller value, अगर किसी smaller value के symbol को is placed on the right of a symbol of greater value, रखा जाए किसी greater value के right side में, then the values of the symbols are added. Now look at example. Here is V and I. We know V denoted to 5 and I is denoted to 1. V means 5 and V is a greater value symbol, and I is 1 which is a smaller value symbol, and I is placed on the right side of V. Means कि हमने V के right side में I को रखा है जो कि smaller value है. So जब भी हम किसी greater value के right side में smaller value को रखते हैं तो वो आपस में क्या होते हैं, add होते हैं. It means V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Look next, L denoted to 50 and X is 10. It means it is greater value and it is smaller value. And the rule says us, if a symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are added. Here is greater value and here is a smaller value which is on the right side of the greater value. Then 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Look at third, C, X, X. C means 100, X means 10 and X means 10. So it is a greater value and these are smaller value. So C is equal to 100 and X is equal to 10 and X is equal to 10. So 100 plus 10 is equal to 120. Okay? This is rule number third. If a symbol of a smaller value is placed on the left of a symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are subtracted. Okay? If a symbol of smaller value is placed on the left of a symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are subtracted. It means कि अगर हम किसी greater value के left side में कोई smaller symbol रखते हैं, then the symbols are subtracted. Okay? Look at the example. Here is X and here is C. Now X is smaller value and C is a greater value symbol, and X is placed on the left side of the greater value, then the symbols are subtracted. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है कि अगर हम किसी ग्रेटर वैल्यू के लेफ्ट साइड में कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू रखते हैं तो स्मॉलर वैल्यू ग्रेटर वैल्यू से सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. ओके, such as C is denoted to 100 and X is denoted to 10. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Second example, C and M. C is denoted to 100 and M is denoted to 1000. So जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि ग्रेटर वैल्यू के लेफ्ट साइड में स्मॉलर वैल्यू है, तो जाहिर सी बात है हम उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड C is subtracted from M. It means 1000 minus 100. So answer is 900. Some important points here is V, L, D are never subtracted. V, L और D जो सिंबल्स हैं ये कभी भी किसी वैल्यू के साथ सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किए जाते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज I is never written on the left of L, C and D. I जो कि हमारा सिंबल 1 के लिए होता है वो कभी भी L, C और D के लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं लिखा जाता. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now come to the rule number 4 which is divided into some sections, and here is section A. What is the rule? Symbol I can be added to and subtracted only from V and X. It means जो सिंबल I है जिसका वैल्यू 1 होता है वो ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट सिर्फ V और X में से ही किया जा सकता है. ओके, नाउ let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose that here is V which is 5 and it in right side I and I which is 1 and 1. So according to the rule symbol I can be added to and subtracted only from V and X. So here is V and here is symbol I and I which is added to 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now go to the second example. Here is I and here is X. As we earlier discussed, if a smaller value is written on the left side of a greater value, then it is subtracted from the greater value. So I is subtracted from the greater value X, and X means 10 and I means 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay? Students, section B is symbol X can be added to L, C and M and subtracted only from L and C. It means जो सिंबल X है जो कि 10 को डेनोट करता है वो ऐड किया जा सकता है L, C और M में, बट it is only subtracted from L and C. वो केवल L और C में से ही subtract किया जाता है. Now come to the example. Here is C and here is X. Okay, C is a greater value and X is a smaller value. So C is equal to 100 and X is 10. So C 100 and X 10. 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. Okay. Now second example is XL. Okay, X is the smaller value which is placed in the left side of the greater value. So X is subtracted from L, which is greater value. So the value of L is 50 and value of X is 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay. Section is C. Symbol C can be added to and subtracted only from D and M. जो symbol C है, it denotes 100, can be added to and subtracted only from D and M. C symbol add और subtract सिर्फ किन symbols में से किया जा सकता है? D और M. D is denoted to 500 and M is denoted to 1000. So examples is D and C, where D is 500 and C is 100. So D is 500 and C is 100. So 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. And here is C and M. C is smaller value and M is greater value. So C denotes to 100 and M denotes to 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Okay, student, here we have another important point. If a symbol of a smaller value is placed between two symbols of greater value, it is always subtracted from the symbol succeeding it. It means कि अगर कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू का सिंबल किन्हीं दो ग्रेटर वैल्यूज के सिंबल के बीच में रखा जाता है तो वो हमेशा जो आगे वाली ग्रेटर वैल्यू होगी उसमें से सबट्रैक्ट होगा. Look at the example. Here is C denoted to 100, X is 10 and L is 50. So these are greater value and X is a smaller value which is placed between those two greater values. So in the point, if a symbol of a smaller value is placed between two symbols of greater value, it is always subtracted from the symbol succeeding it. तो रूल के अकॉर्डिंग जब किन्हीं दो ग्रेटर वैल्यूज के बीच में कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू रखी जाती है तो वो हमेशा आगे वाले वैल्यू से सबट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ C is equal to 100 and X is 10 and L is 50. So X is subtracted from 50. So 100 plus 50 minus 10 is equal to 140. Okay. Students, I hope all of you understand the rules of Roman numerals very carefully and you have to write all the rules in your notebook and also learn it. Okay, thank you.